Sheriff's office, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Spread out on the floor! Spread out on the floor! Who else is in the car? Who else is in the car?
This footage tests 4 frameworks: stop authority, vehicle as deadly weapon, pursuit force, and juvenile justice exposure. Florida Statute 316.605 requires plainly visible plates. Visual obstruction satisfies the Wren probable cause threshold. Under Rodriguez and Arvizu, observed hesitancy and inconsistent demeanor justify expanding a stop beyond its original mission. Pennsylvania versus Mims and Maryland versus Wilson authorize ordering all occupants out of a lawfully stopped vehicle.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. 214 flagger! 214 flagger, I got one running. Hey, stop the gun! Oh, that's so coming around. Hey! 214 flagger! 214 flagger, I got one.
Sorry, all units 10-3 given. 214, where's your last?
After 214, the teenager just took off in the white truck.
Who got my truck?
Give me your hands. Possible kidnapping charges.
You got me.
Put your hands behind your fucking back then.
You got me.
Juvenile's
You got
bishop.
me. I will
Where you
cooperate. I will
Juvenile
cooperate.
took the truck as Dwayne
I
Bishop.
can't.
Behind your back.
71410.
I can't do that with them.
71410.
A free deputy then quickly hops behind the wheel of the police vehicle and tries to catch up to the young teen driving away.
What's 100 in Garden Lane? 117.
And it honestly doesn't take too long.
Vehicles all over the road. Okay. Vehicles taking off the road. 75 miles an hour.
They continue driving with no apparent signs of the teen giving up. That is until around 2 minutes into the drive when he does this.
What's 100? Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
You going? Take a seat, take a seat. Vehicle's upside down on the wood line. Sheriff's office, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Spread out on the floor! Spread out on the floor! Who else is in the car? Who else is in the car?
Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Stand up, come to me now. Turn around. Turn around.
Yo, you put me in here.
Turn around.
Put it down. Get down on your face.
Get
Down
on
on your face. Down on your face.
Yeah, go.
Get on your face.
Get on your face, do it now.
Behind your back. Do not move. Do not reach. Do not move. Who else is inside the car?
Who else is in the car?
Nobody.
What else is doing? 2014.
Get up. Are you good?
Florida Statute 316.1935 sets a graduated felony scheme for fleeing, reaching first-degree felony status with serious bodily injury. Florida case law, including McCullers v. State, confirms a vehicle directed at an officer satisfies the deadly weapon element. Combined application of Section 784.045 aggravated battery and Section 784.07. LEO reclassification yields up to 30 years state prison. Scott v. Harris and Plumhoff v. Rickard authorize intentional vehicle contact during pursuits posing immediate public safety threats. Post-crash force is governed by Graham v. Connor, and weapons-drawn felony commands are tactically required after a vehicular assault.
I just want to make sure you're good. That's my biggest concern.
I need to go to the hospital.
Is there anybody in the car?
No, sir.
Stop! Put your head on the
I got
ground.
cars.
They told me to give you. You got my hand.
Yes, I got your hand because
He
you grabbed my
said
f***ing gun.
No, I did not. I felt so
DOT,
slow on the
DOT.
ground. All right.
Southbound.
Southbound towards Royal Palms.
All right, you got me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Give your fucking. Don't do anything stupid.
I'm not. I'm not. Who's got my truck? Who's the truck got my truck?
Good.
Can y'all help
Roll
me?
over.
215 wants to.
Can we get up? I got a piss. I got to really piss.
Hey, aggravated assault LEO.
Can we
You
get
grabbed
up?
my f***ing gun.
Okay.
We got ag assault on LEO.
The guy that's driving
with
the truck.
Who
Southbound.
took off with my truck? Who the fuck took
This
off
can
with
be
my
Dwayne
truck?
Roll over.
Whoever was in your fucking car, you fucking retard.
I'm trying to get up.
Sit up.
Okay, I am. I am not
Stop.
fighting up. I'm not fighting off. Help me up.
Please, deal.
Help me up. Help me up. Let's try we get in.
Florida. Chapter 985 governs juvenile justice, but Section 985.557 permits direct file in adult court for qualifying felonies. Roper v. Simmons and Miller v. Alabama provide sentencing mitigation, but do not bar prosecution of serious juvenile felonies. The adult driver bears implicit supervisory duty over juvenile passengers throughout the duration of any law enforcement encounter. The primary deputy earns an A-. Rigorous wear and stop and RVZU-compliant investigative expansion under difficult conditions. The pursuing deputy earns a B+ for tactical positioning and Graham-compliant force after the vehicular assault. The adult driver earns a D for obstruction and failure to control juvenile passengers during the lawful stop. The 1-5-year-old earns an F. A 1-0-minute decision sequence producing first-degree felony exposure of up to 30 years prison. Lesson for juveniles. A single split-second decision can convert passenger status into decades of felony exposure. Lesson for adult drivers. Supervisory duty over juvenile passengers does not pause when the patrol lights come on. Lesson for officers. Investigative diligence under RVZU surfaces operational risks that routine stops would otherwise miss. Lesson on vehicle as deadly weapon. Any car directed at a person triggers automatic felony exposure under Florida law. A final note. This analysis is commentary based on limited bodycam perspective. The juvenile suspect is presumed innocent. Let us know in the comments below what topic you would like next, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.